Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our application video part 2 for Aalen University of Applied Science for the course Mechanical Engineering. In the previous video, we already talked about how to register here by clicking on create account. Then after filling all this information, we got to know that our email has been sent, or the confirmation email has been sent to our email. Then we have ended there, and we stopped the first part, and I told this in second part I will show you how the email looks like, and we will log in, then we will stay application. This is what we planned for this particular video, and hope you guys will enjoy it. Please stay until the end so that you don't miss any of the important information. Before we start about this, if you're new to this channel, if you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about how to apply for German university, what are the things that you can learn student as a outsider who want to apply for German university, what are the colleges that you have, what are the courses that you can study in Germany, and what are the documents that you need to upload in order to get into admission, and what are the requirements that you need to fulfill in order to get into admission. So these are the main things that we cover in requirement analysis. After getting to know the requirement analysis, we also make application video where our deadline is met. Then I will also show you if the application is open. I'll show you how to apply by step-by-step procedure. After having all this, after getting you an admission, we have also made some visa proceedings, how to get your student visa, what are the documents and other things. And there is also one new thing called APS. Then we have also made video about how to apply for APS and so on. But yeah, if you still need one-on-one session with me, then you can also always buy the YouTube membership, or you can also mail me directly. Then we can also arrange one-on-one session with you guys. But yeah, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, today it will be second part where I will show you how to apply for this particular course step by step. After clicking on register, we got this confirmation message saying that with your name that you have been registered for your portal, and this will be your username, and the password will be your selected password. So I use this username and the selected password here, and here you have to click for self verification or some to prove that you are human. Then you can click on login. Once you clicked on login, you will be inside the application portal. You can start your new application. In the new application, you have to select here the application for which you are applying. So you will be applying for first semester bachelor, or first bachelor free admission, or first semester master or master's higher semester. As I told you, there are all courses which you can apply for first semester or also higher semester. Say example, if you have done 1 semester, 2 semester in other German university with the same name or same content, and you want to apply for here higher semester for this particular college, then you can use higher semester. But if you are a person who is applying for the first time for first semester, then please always study offer masters first semester. Then here you have to select the course that you are applying. So as I told you, here you have to look for your mechanical engineering winter semester that we are applying. So I will just look for that particular course, and here it is, winter semester 2026 masters in advanced materials and manufacturing 1FS first semester and English. So we selected that and we are applying for first semester. Then we are all good to go. Then after selecting this, we are all good to go. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, you will be having your important information. You have to just read here, check what are the things that you need to know, what are the things what you have already obtained, have you have all the documents fulfilled, and whatever the things that you are giving are correct. Then this is the postal address of Aalen University where you have to start your online application. Have already obtained the first higher education degree, professional qualification, are currently approaching conclusion your study, will be soon graduating from your first degree. Then you come to right place, and over your master degree program is available here. Please get informed advance about this application documents and other things. Then you can click on save and return or submit, but we don't usually submit it because we have not filled any of the information. So first we just go into personal details. So here you can just check for your personal details, your name, surname, gender, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, and you have to fill your all information. So I'll take some moment and fill everything, then I will show you how to fill in everything and submit the application. So I have filled and also get to know a new information which I will tell, and I think you have ample amount of time until then also, because as I told, it will be March 15 the deadline. You have to apply today or tomorrow only in order to get and finish the application. As I told you, in personal information, you can go with your full name, first name, gender, date of birth, place of birth. Then you can click on resident address, where you have to give your personal resident address where you are living in India. After that, so that if after getting an admission, if they want to send you the hard document of your application, then they will send it here. Then university entrance qualification. So this will be the qualification that you have done in order to get into, you finish your first degree, which is your second PhD. That's the reason I have selected higher education entrance qualification, which is HEEQ, acquired abroad, which is general. So if you're a person who has acquired higher education entrance qualification with specific degree, say example, higher education entrance qualification general is nothing but if you have done your PUC or 12th standard, where it is general. But if you are a person who has done diploma, then you have to select higher education entrance qualification with subject specific, where you would have done your bachelor mechanical engineering kinda. Then date of entrance examination or the admission qualification, when you started. I started in 2016 and I studied in India. And the grade, for grade you can use the same our TUM grade conversion tool, where you give your maximum grade as 100%, minimum grade to pass is 35%, and the current grade you have got when you finished your 12th standard. After filling, then you can click on graduation. So in the graduation, after filling your higher education qualification, what is the degree that you have done? The degree you have done is bachelor. The country of degree is India. Type of degree is bachelor degree in Aalen or bachelor degree in a university, and course is electrotechnician, and date of the final degree that I got is 2020 when I got awarded. Duration of study years is 4, because when I clicked here in int, it is asking for the number of years, so I studied it for 4 years. Then exam result is passed, final degree is 1.7. have you listed right to no, and this is also no. And in the previous studies, so in the previous studies they are asking about information about have you awarded any personal or professional degree in Germany? No. And if yes, then please give the website for which you where you have studied. So this will be the university which you have studied. So usually it differs from person to person. Please give your university website without fail. Then state of enrollment or the country of enrollment is India. Winter semester is the one when I started in 2016. And if you enrolled in the semester proceeding to application, no, so we can click on no. But if you are a person who is still pursuing, then you can click on yes, and you need to fill in the details that you are still proceeding. But I guess you should be having finished a degree in order to get a good chance here. Then the special request. So if you are a person who want to have any special request based on your physical disability, then you can also here apply for hardship application, where you will get more priority. Now comes the important part, where you have to upload the documents. As I told you, here in the certificate you have to click on bachelor degree certificate. Okay, then we have to give the ECTS readings, or how much ECTS that you have gained. And here again, don't confuse, I don't have ECTS. No, you have credit points from your college. Please upload your transcript which has all credit points, how much you have scored. So usually it will be 200 credit points from VTU. So that 200 credit points is nothing but 200 ECTS. 1 credit points is always equal to 1 ECTS. And at transcript here in the upload documents, you can also upload the module handbook, because don't need to waste it. Then university admission qualification, here you need to fill or upload your 10th and 12th standard documents. So don't forget in university admission qualification to upload your 10th and 12th in one PDF and upload together. Then language certificate is IELTS. And the important thing that I noticed now, which was not mentioned, is anywhere in the requirements. If you are a person who is applying for international student, then you need to have a VPD in order to apply for this particular course. So we have to apply for VPD as a common VPD, then use it here as we are application as an Auslander. Then our APS certificate, anyway we have it, we uploaded it. VPD certificate also I have uploaded, just because to finish the application and show you how to fill in. In the next video I will show you how to upload the or apply for VPD also. Then other documents you can check for ID, passport, enrollment certificate, exmatriculation, curriculum vitae, letter of motivation. Exmatriculation certificate is from your bachelor degree certificate, but if you have, just upload, otherwise don't worry. Then experience abroad, product management, gift, scholarship, volunteering, work experience, any other publication, paper, research topics, other, etc., etc. As I told you, somebody mentioned you need to have paper or research project mandatory. No, it is not mandatory. It is just a other document. If you do it, if you upload it, then you will have a good chance, but it is not like mandatory that you need to have everybody. No. But yeah, the only bad thing about after checking the application is that I got to know that you need to have VPD. So that's the reason I will take a moment and check it. So after that, you can just check for your fees. So your fees will be 1500 euro, as I told you, because you are coming from a Auslander or outside Germany or outside Europe. So that's the reason you have to have 1500 plus semester contribution of 200 300, which will comes up to 1700. And you can just study the German general information, data privacy and explanation. After that, you can click on either save and return or click on submit, where your application will be submitted. So we'll click on save and return, because after we show you how to apply for your Uni Assist, then we can apply. Then we just go into Uni Assist. So this is the My Assist website. So here in the Uni Assist, you can always click for creating an account, but otherwise you can select semester, actually Aalen. Then you can click on search. Once you clicked on search, you can see the only application you can do in Aalen is Master of Aleph for VPD. So you have to apply for this, select this, and you have to fill in everything. So here, if you want to use the Uni Assist, you have to first click on create new account, fill in all information. After filling all information, you can also get an email address, like how I showed for college, where you will get a confirmation email with the email address or the user ID. Then use that user ID with the selected password, login. Then you need to fill in all your educational background. For this detailed Uni Assist application, I have uploaded and made several parts of video, 3 or 4 parts. You can just check it. After that, come here and click on sign in. Once you clicked on sign in, as I told you, we need to click on this, check for this particular course, where it is for Hochschule Aalen, Baden-Württemberg State, and it is for courses full time, and it's a VPD for complete course, including bachelor, master, whichever you want to apply. But we are applying for first semester admission, NC free. So yeah, we will just into click add section. But if you're a person who wants VPD for higher semester, don't forget to click here. But we are the one who wants just for first semester. That's the reason I'm clicking here, and you can click on add to selection. And here you will have your Master of Aleph for Aalen, where you have to fill in the unanswered mandatory questions.